In this video, I will show you how to remove formula but keep a value in Microsoft Excel. So guys, you can see we have this two column with numbers and we use here this average formula. If you will change, so if you will change here, so it will reflect here. This average formula. Now to remove this formula and you want to keep value, so select now Control C or right click and copy. You can use any method. Control C or right click or copy. Now select it and Control V. Right click on it and make sure paste as this value. Here you will see some options to paste. So select the second option as value. Select it. Now double click any cell. Now make changes here. So we can see now we remove formula from these cells. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not.